Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an under maintenance page on Wix. This can be useful when you're redesigning your website, updating important content, adding new features, or simply need a temporary page that tells visitors your site isn't ready to be viewed yet. To get started, open your Wix editor and head to the top left corner. From there, click on the Add option. This is where you can insert new elements and sections into your site. If you're already familiar with the Wix editor, this is the same area you would normally use to add things like text, images, buttons, and other page elements. After that, click on Pages, and then choose Blank Page. Creating a blank page is a good option here because it gives you a clean space to build a simple maintenance page without any distractions or unnecessary content already in place. Starting from a blank page also makes it easier to keep the design minimal, which is usually best for a maintenance screen, because visitors should understand the message immediately. Once the blank page has been added, you can start designing your maintenance page. This is the part where you let visitors know that your website is temporarily unavailable or being updated. Keep the design clear and straightforward. A short message like, "We're currently under maintenance," along with a note that the site will be back soon, works well. You can also add a simple background, a heading, and maybe a bit of supporting text, so the page looks polished and intentional rather than unfinished. If you know roughly when the website will return, you could also mention that time frame so visitors know when to check back. The goal is to make sure visitors immediately understand what is happening when they land on your site. You don't need to overload the page with information. A clear headline, a short explanation, and consistent branding can be enough to reassure visitors that the website is temporarily unavailable rather than broken. After you finish designing the page, go back to Pages at the top left to open the full list of pages on your website. In that panel, you'll be able to find the blank page you just created. Rename it so it's easy to recognize. Giving it a name like Maintenance helps keep your site organized, especially if you have several pages already set up. This also makes it much easier to find the page later when you're ready to remove the maintenance screen and restore your normal homepage. Next, hover over that page name and click the three-dot icon to open more settings. In that menu, choose the option to set it as the home page. This is the key step because once it becomes the home page, anyone visiting your website will be taken directly to your maintenance screen first. Before you finish, it's a good idea to preview the page so you can confirm that the message, spacing, and design look the way you want them to. That effectively hides the rest of your regular site from visitors while you make updates in the background. This gives you more freedom to work on your other pages without making your unfinished changes the first thing visitors see. One important thing to remember is not to place any buttons on this page that redirect visitors to other parts of your website. If the purpose of the page is to temporarily block access while your site is being worked on, then keeping navigation limited is essential. That way, visitors won't be able to click through to pages that may still be incomplete or not ready to view. You may also want to check whether your site's header, menu, or other navigation elements are visible on the maintenance page and limit them where appropriate so the experience stays focused. And that's it. Once your maintenance page is set as the home page, your website will display that message to anyone who visits until you're ready to switch things back. When your updates are complete, you can simply return to your Pages section, set your regular homepage back as the homepage, and then check your live site to make sure everything is displaying correctly again.